Hello, tech lovers. Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, your ultimate destination for high-quality mobile reviews. Today, we're exploring the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G 2026, a phone that promises premium features at a mid-range price, bringing next-level cameras, performance, and display technology to your hands. Let's start with the design and build quality. Samsung has delivered a sleek, modern design with a glass back and Gorilla Glass protection, making it durable yet stylish. The phone feels solid in the hand, with smooth curves and an ergonomic design that ensures comfortable one-hand usage. Whether you're scrolling social media, watching videos, or gaming, the phones feel as premium, something you don't often get in mid-range devices. Moving on to the display, the Galaxy A57 Pro 5G comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus panel with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the high refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, responsive gaming, and fluid animations. Watching movies, playing games, or editing photos is a visual treat, thanks to the bright, crisp, and color-accurate display. Now, let's dive into the performance. Under the hood, this device is powered by either the Exynos 1680 or the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, depending on the region, coupled with the Xclipse 550 GPU. This combination ensures fast, lag-free performance in daily use, multitasking, and even gaming at high settings. Apps open instantly, switching between multiple apps is seamless, and heavy games run smoothly without stutter. This is truly next-level performance in the mid-range category. One of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy A57 Pro 5G is its camera system. Samsung has equipped it with a 108 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 5 megapixels macro depth sensor. The main camera captures incredible detail, vibrant colors, and stunning clarity in both daylight and low-light conditions. The ultra-wide lens allows for expansive landscape shots without distortion, while the macro camera lets you capture close-up shots with precision. On the front, the 32 megapixel selfie camera delivers sharp, bright selfies and perfect video calls. With AI enhancements, night mode, and portrait effects, the Galaxy A57 Pro 5G excels in photography, making it ideal for content creators and social media enthusiasts. Battery life is another strong point. The device houses a 5000 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day of heavy usage, including gaming, video streaming, and multitasking. And when you need a quick charge, the 67W fast charging capability powers up your phone to 50% in just 20 minutes, so you're never left waiting. On the software side, the Galaxy A57 Pro 5G runs Android 15 with One UI 7, offering a smooth, intuitive, and feature-rich experience. Samsung's One UI brings smart gestures, customization options, and advanced security features, ensuring the phone is future-proof and ready for the latest apps and updates. With years of promised OS and security updates, this phone is designed to stay relevant for the long term. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G offers a perfect balance of design, display, camera, performance, and battery life. It's a feature-packed mid-range 5G device that competes with flagship phones in terms of camera quality and display experience. Whether you're a gamer, photographer, or daily user, this phone delivers everything you need for 2026. So if you want a powerful, stylish, and future-ready 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A57 Pro 5G should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more premium mobile reviews, unboxings, and tech updates.